Welcome back in this video series by Sagar Kadam Sir Engineering Academy that guaranteed you as you will clear very difficult concept of mechanics dynamics without any doubt. Now with this video we are going to start impact, new topic impact. So very important topic to score maximum and to pass very easily, as you have to study this topic thoroughly. Obviously, as when you are going to subscribe my videos, subscribe by my online way, as definitely you are going to clear 100%. You don't have to put any option. In exam, if you are able to solve any type of numerical of any chapter. But from exam point of view, we have to start with as scoring topic. Therefore, after resultant, I always suggest solve this numerical of impact. So, what is impact? As here we have two bodies A and B having mass m1 and m2 moving with velocity u1 and u2, and they are moving as towards right. But u1 is greater than u2. u1 is greater than u2, is it right? Means velocity of A is more than B. Therefore, somewhere ahead, A strikes B. Is it right? As obviously velocity of A is more than B, therefore somewhere ahead A strikes B. And we know that when two bodies collides with each other, that action of collision is called as what? Impact. Understood? Action of collision we called as impact. When two or more bodies collides with each other, action of collision is called as impact. So during impact what happens? These bodies exert very large force on each other for very small time, very small time of impact, which is less than 1 second. Due to that force, impulsive force, they undergoes deformation. A as well as B undergoes deformation. But every body have elastic property. Due to elastic property, they recover from deformation. And once they recover from deformation, they start moving with different velocities v1 and v2. So v1 is less than v2, in this case we assumed. Getting what I am saying? As during impact, these bodies come in contact with each other, exert very large force on each other. Due to that large force, they undergoes deformation. Due to elastic property, they recover from deformation and start moving with different velocities v1 and v2. Okay. Now this velocity of separation means v1 and v2 depends upon velocity of approach u1 u2. Their masses m1 m2, their size, their shape, and very important, this velocity depends upon line of impact. Velocity depends upon line of impact. So what is line of impact? Common normal to colliding surface. Common normal to colliding surface is called as line of impact. Okay. So A and B's common point, this one. So through this I draw one line. Is it normal? This line I drawn, is it normal? No, it is tangent. Common tangent for A and B. I want common normal. Very important for impact topic. Especially for oblique impact numerical, you have to decide line of impact. Okay, so common normal, as we know that tangent and normal relation, they are right angle to each other, and therefore here I draw a right angle line with horizontal, and therefore this is line of impact. This is line of impact. Is it clear? Suppose one marble is thrown from here. It strikes the ground. So impact between ground and marble, this is a common point, and therefore we have this as line of impact, in this case vertical. Understood? common normal to colliding surface is called as line of impact. Okay, is it clear? Now tell me, is it line of impact horizontal? And A and B have velocity u1, u2 also horizontal, means they have same direction. It indicates as two bodies A and B, they are moving along the line of impact. When two or more colliding bodies, they moving along the line of impact, we say that impact as a direct impact. When motion of two or both colliding bodies along the line of impact is called as a direct impact. So here I draw figure. This figure says this is a direct impact. Is it clear? Got it? Which is this impact? Yes, here this marble is coming in this direction. It strikes the ground in this direction. Is it clear? So its velocity vertical and line of impact also vertical. So motion of this marble is along the line of impact. Motion of this marble along the line of impact, we say it is also direct impact. Understood? Motion of one or two or more bodies along the line of impact, we say it is a direct impact. Okay? Suppose a ball thrown in this direction. What happens? It strikes the ground and goes in this direction. Is it right? If you throw a ball, it will strike the ground and goes in this direction. Is it right? Common observation, everybody knows. But tell me, is it direct impact? As motion of this ball, is it along the line of impact? It is not. So when motion of bodies, one or both bodies, not along the line of impact is called as oblique impact. When motion of one or both bodies not along the line of impact is called as what? Not along the line of impact is called oblique impact. So here motion of both bodies along the line of impact, it is a direct impact. Motion of these bodies not along the line of impact, it is called as what? Oblique impact. Understood? Motion along the line of impact is direct. Motion not along the line of impact is called as oblique. Is it clear? Now, is it center of gravity of A and B lies along the impact? Yes, center of gravity A as well as B lies along the line of impact. Therefore, it is called as central impact. Central impact. Center of gravity of both bodies lies along the line of impact. Therefore, it is called central impact. Now, there is impact between ball and bat. Okay. So, center of gravity is here. Center of gravity of this bat is here, suppose. And we have this as a line of impact. So, is it right? Center of gravity of this bat not along line of impact. It is called as eccentric impact. So center of gravity lie along the line of impact called central impact. Center of gravity of one or both bodies not along the line of impact called as eccentric impact. So these are types of impact. Direct impact, motion of both the bodies along the line of impact. Oblique impact, motion of bodies not along the line of impact. Central impact, center of gravity of both bodies along the line of impact. And eccentric impact, center of gravity of one or both bodies not along the line of impact. This is a theory of impact. Okay, is it clear? So thank you very much. Here we clear a theory of impact, but mostly they ask question on law of conservation of momentum or coefficient of restitution. But don't forget to like videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.